Gentlemen, if the tinfoil hat trick didn't grab you, what for embiggening holes, I have a proper machinist trick if you don't have the proper size drill bit. Twist drill. This is called a twist drill, not a drill bit. We're in a machine shop now. The thing is, with any machinist worth his salt, generally they're going to be working in a nice, warm, well-lit shop with access to the proper tooling and a grinder. So if you have a grinder, you can easily take any size drill bit and make the hole bigger than the drill bit. We have here a Chinesium drill bit. I don't care for Chinesium, but there is a time and a place. I don't want to waste a good drill bit on this. Gonna drill a hole through here, we'll measure it, and then I'll do my little trick and we'll drill another hole and measure it. Now, it will come as a shock and a dismay to you looking around at the empire of dirt to learn that I am not a young man. As well, I am not without a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out of. As such, I have the wherewithal, that is, I keep powder dry, cash on hand. So when machine shops, and they do this from time to time, as well as industrial facilities, they go tits up, or they move, or they close operations. And nobody wants to go in and clean them up. So they bring in auctioneers to sell everything off for pennies on the dime. That is where you can pick up. Now this is a little known secret. When people want to sell, they're desperate to sell things just to get rid of them. They sell them for cheap. And if you have cash in hand, you can pick them up for cheap. Mind-blowing, I know. So anyone begrudging me my collection of unused twist drills, there's your secret, partner. I learned it from the best, Tubal Cain. He's got about 200 South Bend lathes that he needs to get rid of. Oh my God, this sucks. Pilot drill to the rescue. How big a pilot drill do you want? You want the pilot drill to be slightly larger than the chisel tip. That's the criteria, because the chisel tip isn't actually cutting. It's just moving the material to the periphery so that the cutting edges can cut it. So how big of a pilot do you want? It's got to be as big or slightly larger than the chisel tip. That's the pilot you want. So that hole is 444. 445, say, for the sake of good luck, or mitigating bad luck. Here's the trick. You see the cutting edges there? Not great. What we're going to do is we're going to just touch this on the grinder only on the one side. That's going to elongate that one side, and now the drill, instead of turning perfectly axially while it's drilling, it's going to weeble wobble off to one side because the one cutting edge is longer. So it's going to do one of these, whoop, whoop, whoop. I got the pilot drill already done. Baller in that hole right out. .466. So that's embiggened the hole 24 thou, just with a kiss on the grinder. One twist drill, 2 different size holes. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick on the ice.